In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Victoria Beckham discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Victoria Beckham discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount right here, simply select copy code. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one and apply it on your next purchase in order to get this 20% discount. Also, going back right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called necessitate. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount of your first purchase, simply select right here, copy code. And this is the promo code that you can copy and apply this one on your first purchase in order to get this discount. So this is also today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.